morning, guys. Okay, today I thought I would film a what I eat in a day for you guys. I haven't done one of these in a really long time and it was super requested, so shout out to the girl who requested it on my Instagram stories. If you guys would like to be mentioned in a video, you can always go request something on my Instagram. It is at Cicily Boone, so make sure that you're following me. That is where I mainly keep track of video requests. But anyways, I have work today. Usually when I'm at work and I'm running around and gonna be on my feet for 8+ hours a day, I need energy, so I usually do a carb heavy breakfast, light carbs at lunch, and then I don't really do much carbs at dinner. And also, yes, I know that my face and my body are literally two different colors, but that is the self-tanning life. I promise it looks fine when I put makeup on. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna go make breakfast.
So right when I get up in the morning, of course, I first brush my teeth and then I let my kitty out and head to the kitchen. So today I am making one of my new favorite breakfasts, and it starts off with grabbing my quick oats. And I like these because usually I'm in a rush in the morning, especially when I'm going to work. So I will just measure out half a cup of the quick oats and put it in a bowl, and then put some water in the bowl, just enough to cover the oats. I don't really measure this. And then I go ahead and pop that in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Now, I am also going to make this a savory oatmeal, not a sweet oatmeal. And this is a recipe that I saw on Miss Remy Ashton's YouTube channel, and I'll link the video down below where I saw her eat this, but it inspired me and it's honestly such a good breakfast. So I am going ahead now and just cracking 2 eggs into my pan, and I am going to fry them sunny side up. So once my eggs are done, I just go ahead and pop them right on top of the oatmeal, and stay here with me, guys. I promise this is really good. And I am using my everything bagel seasoning, putting that on top, and then putting a little bit of sriracha as well. And that is my breakfast. It's so filling and so freaking delicious, and it's become one of my new favorite breakfasts, especially because I love savory things.
So I'm just gonna chill here on the couch, eat breakfast, and then I also got myself a water with lemon in it, and I drink this every single morning. And then after, I'm gonna drink some coffee.
So I'm someone who definitely needs a coffee every morning, so I will just go ahead, grab a cup of coffee. I usually have my coffee maker pre-ready the night before so that it doesn't take me very long to make it in the morning. And then I'll just go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of creamer. I always measure this out, and that's about it.
Now I'm just gonna get ready for work and drink my coffee. I always measure out the creamer that I put in it so I know exactly how much I'm drinking and stuff like that, because this stuff is like not super good for you, but it tastes delicious. I'm just gonna drink this coffee and get ready for work. I think I'm gonna do curly hair. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with my makeup today, but you will see. Okay, so I just finished getting ready and I went ahead and drank my glass of water, and then I also drank my coffee. But now I want to show you guys what I do with this. So I am about to start my period. I'm like a little PMS-y right now. So this is my ashwagandha rose lavender elixir, and this helps with PMS, it helps with cramps, it helps with anxiety. So I am gonna mix some of this with my water that I take to work. Okay, so this is my water bottle that I'm taking to work. It's my Swell bottle. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the elixir, and I literally just take like 1 dropper full, and then I put it in my water. And since this is big, I think I'm gonna put 2 in. But this just helps me with like my PMS and bloating and cramps, and it really helps my anxiety too. I used to use this a lot when I was having a lot of trouble with my anxiety, and it really helps calm me down. Just a little natural essential oils to get the body going. I also packed my lunch, which I will show you guys today when I eat it at work, but I have got to head to work. I am running a little bit late.
So today for lunch, I decided to take a salad, and then for my carb of choice, I chose fruit instead of like a rice or something. So my salad just has romaine lettuce, cucumbers, red bell peppers, and then some smoked sausage for a little bit of protein. And then on top of the salad, I just went ahead and put this white balsamic shallot vinaigrette. I love this stuff. It's really low in sugar and low in carbs, and it just tastes so refreshing and freaking delicious. And then of course, I just have 2 kitties, and I'm always drinking water throughout the day.
Hey guys, okay, so I just got home from work and I'm about to head to the gym. I just have a huge thing of ice water in my Swell water bottle, and I drink about 2 to 3 of these while I work out, and then of course I drink water after. But I'm gonna go ahead and head to the gym. Okay, this is what I'm wearing to the gym. I have a t-shirt or like a tank top too. I was wearing this from Under Armour and I just had that on, but I wanted to show you guys how cool the sports bra is. It's like mesh, and I got this from Victoria's Secret. And then these leggings I'm wearing are from the brand Tesla. It's like TSLA on Amazon, and they're literally like less than $20, and they're so amazing, great quality. I love them, so I'll link those down below for you guys. But yeah, I want to show you guys my little workout outfit. Okay, it is leg day, time to go to the gym.
And then right after the gym, I always go ahead and make myself a protein shake with my Isopure protein. I use the creamy vanilla flavor. This stuff is the best. It's 100 calories. It's super low in carbs, and I think it actually has 0 carbs. It's awesome. I got it off Amazon. Again, I'll link that down below. And then I just put it in my blender bottle that I got from Target and add 8 ounces of water and then go ahead and just shake it up. And it tastes really good. This is probably the best tasting protein that I've ever bought, and it really wasn't that expensive, and it's a lot better for you than a lot of other proteins.
Okay, so I'm just chilling here drinking my protein shake. I use the Isopure protein, and this bag I got off Amazon, I think for like $20 or something like that. It has 15 servings in it. It says, a serving size is 1 scoop, and it's 100 calories. There's 0 carbs in it, which is fantastic if you're trying to stay lean and toned. It has 25 grams of protein, and this is their creamy vanilla flavor. You can add this to coffee, you can add it to your oatmeal, you can drink it in a shake like this, you can add it to a smoothie, and it literally is so good. Typically, if I'm gonna eat a meal and not just have this, I'll mix 1 scoop of protein powder with 8 ounces of water and just drink it like this. So it's just the 100 calories, and then I'll like obviously like eat food. But if I'm gonna make it more of like a meal kind of replacement, sometimes if I work out in the morning, I do that. I'll make like a hearty smoothie with tons of fruit and spinach and stuff like that and include this in it as well.
So moving on to dinner, the first thing I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 425, and today I am making some avocado lime chicken and Brussels sprouts. This is one of my favorite meals. It's, again, low carb, and it's really great because I always eat super late at night, so I don't like to have a lot of carbs before bed. I usually just go for like a veggie and a protein. So I'm just taking some raw chicken breast and putting some cumin on it, a little bit of lime, it's like lime powder, and then a tiny shaker of seasoned salt. And then I'm just putting that on a pan lined with foil. I cut up some Brussels sprouts, which so many people don't like Brussels sprouts, but if you cook them right, they taste so good. So I'm just sprinkling a little bit of olive oil on top of them and then just kind of, you know, dispersing it around on the Brussels sprouts. And then I just put a little bit of garlic salt on top and some pepper. And literally that is it. It's so simple. I love doing 1-pan meals, and then I just pop it into the oven for about 22 minutes and everything's pretty done. My chicken isn't super thick, so this is a good amount of time for that, but you're gonna have to, like, you'll have to gauge it based on what your chicken is like. I usually do between 2 to 3 ounces, maybe 4 sometimes. But this is the finished product, and I, of course, put a little sriracha on my Brussels sprouts.
So I am so excited to eat. I have my protein, my healthy fats, and my veggies, and I'm literally freaking starving from the gym. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and also I am drinking lemon water, and that's pretty much it for my day of eating.